Welcome to our YouTube channel on maximizing your teaching platform with Uteach. Today's episode focuses on a core feature that empowers educators creating communities. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the Uteach community feature, and you will learn the step-by-step process of how to create your own community, customize settings for engagement, and invite students to join. As an instructor or course creator, we offer you the ability to build and manage your own community, enhancing the learning experience for your students. And here is how you can start it. Start by logging into your Uteach account's dashboard. On the left hand side, click on Communities. Please note that this is currently in beta, which means that it is a new feature that's still under development and might be updated with new functionalities. To create a new one, click on Create New Community button. You can enter the name of your community in the name field. You can choose a name that is both descriptive and appealing to members. Then set a friendly URL. Create a custom URL for your community by entering the desired path in the friendly URL field. Here you can upload an image. In the description box, provide the detailed description of your community. You have a full range of text editing tools. You can format your text, add links, and insert images or videos. Here you can choose your community to decide whether your community is going to be free or it will require single payment for access. Here you can include your community price and alt price if necessary. Once you've completed filling out all the information, click Next to move on the community settings. Once you've provided the main information for your community, it's time to customize the settings. Decide whether your community is active, which makes it available for purchase, or draft, meaning that it can be joined but remains visible in your dashboard for further edits. If you want to add members from specific courses or products, check the box labeled. From the list, you can choose your teaching product. To add members from existing groups, check the Add Members from Groups box. If you need to create a new group, simply click on Create a Group. It will redirect you to the group creation page where you should add the title and click Save. After creating a new group, you can go back to the settings page, click Refresh icon. It updates the list of groups available for selection. And from the list, choose your created group. Toggle members can also create topics if you wish to allow members to initiate discussions. This can foster a more interactive or engaged community. But if you prefer to restrict posting to admins and authors only, you can activate it only admins authors can post option. After setting up your community settings to your preference, click the Save button to finalize the changes.